This is elevator number 3, not 2, at Building 3 at SouthSide Works in SouthSide, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Warning, elevators shall not be used in event of fire. This is also a Schindler 330A with HT, installed in 2005. That door's squeaky. Yeah, I know I said the other elevator is a service elevator. I think this one looks more like a service elevator. It's 3. They both have hospital size cabs. This one has a taller story. Here, 3. Can open up over here. This one has 2 sets of doors. My fan's a bit rattled. I'll go back down to 1. This one is the short chimes, which is barely noticeable. Certificate, again, installed in 2005. Honeywell ID reader. Immediate phone. Yeah, there's originally like a key lockup, but they put that on. Yeah, it's just your basic hospital-sized elevator. This one's taller than the other one. Interesting, like lighter than cyan color here. Yeah, the other one was car 1. This one says car 3. I wonder if car 2 is REI, but I thought that was in a separate building. Here back at 1, someone called it.